find that place that's comfortable for you. Open up your favorite hand and imagine that the pads of the 5 fingers are like the frog sticking on the window. Imagine you have those little suction cups, and it lands and sticks for a moment onto the drum head. Now you want to hit it hard enough so that it makes a sound. You don't want to be too quiet. The drum wants to sing. You don't want to hit it too hard either because it can knock it right back. So hit it hard enough and stick. Hear that dry sound of ka, K-A-H, ka. And I like to open my palm to the earth and draw the energy of the earth up into my palm. And rather than moving from far away, my hand is just a few inches, and then draw that energy in and bring it to the head of the drum and stick. Ka, ka, say that with me. Ka, ka, open and then in. Ka, ka. Notice that I have a carriage of space here. My elbows aren't cramped in, nor are my arms extended. It's nice and comfortable and open. And there's not a lot of action through the elbow, a little bit, but mostly the 2 bones of the forearm, these 2 bones of the forearm twist. Imagine they're 2 sticks and they're just twisting around each other. And yes, I do come in a little bit closer, but it's not a big movement. Make sure you stick, because if you bounce, you get a whole other sound. And I don't know if you can hear that, if the microphone's picking it up or not, but there's a reverberation, whereas the dry sound of ka prevents the drum head from continuing to resonate. So let's do ka, tick, and we say it while we play it, because the brain is wired for language. And I would say almost all drumming traditions do use vocal mnemonics to teach the drum rhythm and to bring it into the subconscious part of the brain and down into the heart and out through the hands, so that the hands learn, they get trained to do exactly as we say and play. So let's say it and play it. Join me when you're ready on the vocals, and then join me when you're ready on the drum. Remember to breathe. Ka, tick, 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 ka, tick. That's it. Ka, tick, ka, tick. Open to the earth. Draw that energy of the earth in. Bring it to your drum. Ka, tick, ka, tick. Keep saying that. Ka, tick, ka, tick, ka, tick. Ka is the sound of the earth, the deep, loving earth who loves us so much, she never lets us go. Ka, tick, ka, tick, ka, tick. Allow your body to move a little bit to the beat of your drum. Awaken your torso as you're sitting here. Feel the music rising up in you as you join this lineage of women playing this drum that dates back thousands and thousands of years. Let that joy rise up in you. Allow it to rise up in your soul if it speaks to you. And we'll finish with a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Nice. And there are no mistakes in learning drumming. There are only experiences to grow from. But if there's anything you'd like to erase, you can simply erase it. Or as we like to do, shake the jingles, because the sound of metal clears the air, like the singing bowl or wedding bells. Ka-tick. I'd like to show you the chart. For those of you who are visual learners, I do have charts. K for ka and the small t for tick. And you can see they are more or less evenly spaced. And this is the rhythm inlet timeline unit for notating rhythms. And we use it for basically all of our drum teaching and for all of our compositions, whether on the frame drum or the djembe or Brazilian samba or conga, all of the world of drums that we've specialized in for decades. This timeline unit is our form of notation, and I hope that it serves you as well. If you're curious about what the R and L stand for, those are where we step our feet when we join in the procession. But for now, let's just continue focusing on the hands. And in a lesson or two down the line, we can integrate the bottom half of the body. It's a lot to integrate, right? So when we start to walk with the drum and coordinate that with our hands, and we want to be breathing and certainly not chewing gum at the same time, right? So we'll get to those lessons soon. Let's continue focusing on the hands for now. You ready to learn the next stroke? Everybody say, yay! Okay.